I'm recording. Look at that beautiful truck. Stepside, 14th, Sunday. Month, July. 11 days. Huh. I'm going to be heading back to Ohio to get married, and we're going to be leaving here in about 2-3 days. We're leaving Wednesday. So I will, well, by the time you see this, I'll be back. But yeah, I'm not going to be doing videos for a couple weeks due to being back in the cold state of Ohio, which it won't be cold because it's summertime. It's summertime. Bum, bum. I should probably go that road, see what that little detour is all about. No dumping, people. And, yeah, going for a ride. Nice little twisty road. It doesn't last very long. You know, I'm still really looking for that nice twisty road close to the house, you know, after work, and I won't go for a ride. I can just go for a ride, but it's not a bad road. Scenes of Texas. And so my thoughts of Texas, let's just talk about Texas and riding. I thought it would be miserably hot, and I thought maybe the roads would be a little better because I'm kind of like outside of hill country. What else did I think? That it would be drier, you know, because we're right on the edge of really dry Texas. And it's dry. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's dry. I'm not used to this. It rained yesterday, and I was like, oh, it's raining. You know, instead of in Ohio, it's like, oh, the sun's out. Yeah, it's just opposite. But, you know, I'm getting out there and finding new roads. It's just taking me a minute. You know, it's good. See, dry. I gave myself a big old yawn. Bear, B-E-X-A-R, bear. It's not how I spell bear, but you know, I am from southern Ohio. Building my little pond. Are they putting more houses out here? Doing something, huh? That's a nice bike. I do like that the speeds are a little higher on these back roads. 60, 65 miles per hour on a little two-laner. You know, that's one good thing Texas has going for it. My music just kicked on. Oh, and it kicked off. Never mind. It doesn't know what it's doing. What's this Jeep doing? Just kind of chilling there in the middle of the road, huh? Pretty trees. Oh, Slugbug Debbie. This is Silver. Haha. So I thought, so those trees, oh, music's about to kick on again. Something's happening in my helmet, people. No, it's not ghosts. But yeah, so that tree, I was like, ah, pretty tree. We have one in front of the house. I thought it was a bush because, you know, it's not that big. And it's really bushy, like, and I started looking at these trees and I'm like, oh crap, that's what we have in front of our house. So I cut it back. Now it kind of looks like that, just in miniature form. And I really don't know where I'm at still. I have no idea the name of this road. And, you know, like I said, we're in the middle of buying a house. So I'm going to get used to some of these roads and we're going to be gone. But I think where we're moving, I might be closer to better roads. It's quite unique. So where we're at, it used to be nothing but farmland. San Antonio in the last 7 years has just experienced some type of crazy population boom. They are building houses on any little plot of land they can right now. And so where we're going is closer to hill country, and it just used to be farmland. And the roads are 2-lane roads like this, and it's just lined with housing developments. But it's closer to the northwest side of San Antonio, so right now I'm kind of on the northeast side. Maybe we're just going over one county. But it should put me closer to some of these awesome roads. You know, we'll see. Not bad little roads out here. I just, you know, coming from Southern Ohio, no one ever thinks that Southern Ohio is, that's a cool old tree, a great place to ride a motorcycle. And it's there. I mean, I didn't realize how nice of roads I had to ride. I knew they were good. I just didn't realize how good they were. You know, Southern Ohio, West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, the roads are just absolutely amazing. And West Virginia surprised me. I think out of all the states, and listen, I love Tennessee, absolutely love Tennessee. You have the Dragon and all the roads, Moonshine 28 and Shahalo, and you know, just all of these amazing roads, and every road that connects these roads together are amazing. They're just absolutely great roads. But West Virginia is a state that surprised me. They call it the Mountain State, and well, if it's named the Mountain State, you have to have roads, and the roads are incredible, especially around the New Gorge area, Blackwater Falls. There were some roads out that way that I really enjoyed. Palm tree. You don't see those in Ohio. I want a palm tree in my house. I wonder if I can talk Debbie into getting a palm tree. I wonder if they make miniature palm trees. The stuff that goes through your head when you're out on a ride. But yeah, the old Spyder's doing good. I think when I get back from Ohio, we're going to start with the mirrors. We're going to fix some mirror issues I have. I've had the stuff for a long time. I just need to do it. We're going to do mirrors. We're going to do brake pads. We're going to do brake fluid. We're going to do that back tire. We have a ton of stuff to do to this thing. $775. I think I normally go left. That's a slug bug. We gotta go left to get the slug bug, and then maybe I'll turn around and go right. See the slug bug up there? Looks like a slug bug anyway. Oh, look at that, Debbie. That's my second one. Slug bug. It's for sale, and it's silver. It's the silver slug bug day. Those are gorgeous trees. Do I want to turn around? We'll just go this way for a minute. That's pretty property. That's a nice house. Yeah, I don't want to go this way because I think this takes me right back up to 10 if I'm not mistaken. So let's just go ahead and turn around, take Church Road. What's that say? No through trucks. I'm not a truck, so let's just see where this road goes. Yeah, so we got some rain yesterday. Some pretty horses. Chickens? Nope. What chickens? There's some goats. So yeah, if there's a video you want to see, now listen, I'm not going to get into crazy how-to videos, just simple, easy maintenance things. And anytime you watch one of my how-to videos, if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. It's that simple. You know, if you don't know the difference between a screwdriver and a ratchet, maybe you shouldn't be doing the work yourself. Just saying. Church Road goes left, so we'll go left. Boom. Gear change. Gear change. Gear change. And another gear change. Do I got one more gear? I do. Oh. I was about to go straight. I could have. So I think on that I'm going to try to listen to some music. I think I'm going to be done. There's some cows. Believe me, with some cows, people. Just like any other normal cow out there. No longhorns today, people. Hey, those are moo cows. Oh, my music kicked on right at the right time. So, hey, give me a big old thumbs up if you like today's ramblings from a fat man in San Antonio, Texas. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road. It's Eric Church. I like Eric Church.